Consider supporting my channel on Patreon for only $1 a month. Check the link down below.
I run away.
So where the heck are we going?
Wausau Club.
Wausau Club.
We're gonna visit Martha.
Yeah. Right here. Right there, guys. We're not supposed to go up the second floor, but what happened?
We're going on the second floor.
Who's up on the second floor?
Martha.
Who's Martha?
Martha is an old lady that haunts this whole building.
Oh, yes. Well, we're going inside.
Number 9. The Wausau Club. The Wausau Club in Wausau was built in 1902 by a group of wealthy lumbermen and lawyers who decided to settle in Wausau just a year prior, with the purpose of promoting business interests and social enjoyment among the community. As local legend goes, the old clubhouse is tragically haunted by the ghost of a woman who hung herself in the east wing upon discovering she was pregnant. Dubbed Martha by locals, her full-bodied apparition is commonly seen in the room where she died and on the grand staircase. She's been known to cause electrical malfunctions, chandeliers to swing noticeably, and during renovations, workers complained of their tools going missing frequently. This is nothing new, however, as staff claim that objects often go missing and turn up later in different places.
Go.
Use the other door. No camera, please.
No cameras.
We're inside the Wausau Club.
Your hangout, exactly. We lived for years for that, and then it transitioned into, a business where they would house weddings.
Wow. That's gonna be.
We're just not allowed to go on the second floor.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is pretty cool.
Alright. Time to go this way.
Oh wait, right there. That's the guy who's gonna tell us this ghost story. Yeah. Hi. I'm good. I'm interested in the story.
What stories would you like to know?
Martha?
Oh, Martha.
Oh boy.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys need to hear the
The stuff he tells isn't really
No.
We've been on the Halloween tour with Dave and
Oh.
Can we just walk through?
Yeah, just feel free to.
Well, this building was, there was a separate house that was located on this building. And right now it's on Adams Street. And it was built in, what did I say, 1887 by
I know it is.
Rufus P. Mason. And he had a very large family. He actually had 12 children. And then when his wife, Catherine, died, he sold the house. And it was split into two, and they moved to Adams Street. And in 1901, the Wausau Club formed. And the Wausau Club was basically a club for all the higher-up, rich individuals, businessmen.
Mm-hmm.
And they moved a house that was located on the other side of Wausau. to this location. That's what this building is.
Okay.
And so they had to hoist it up, put it on logs, rollers,
Yeah.
and a team of horses, and they moved it to this location.
Oh, nice.
And they used this as their men's club, because women at that time were not permitted to be in the club.
Okay. So men's only club.
Strictly only men's only.
Okay.
In 1922, the building to the left here, that side section,
Yeah.
was added on for about $140,000.
Okay.
And they use that as guest suites and servant quarters. And so as the story goes, one of the servant ladies by the name of Martha. Now, is Martha really her real name? I don't know. We did a lot of research. We can't confirm that was her real name. But apparently she fell in love. She had an affair with one of the gentlemen in the club.
Okay.
She became pregnant. When he found out that she was pregnant, he basically didn't want nothing to do with her.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And so she became distraught and depressed, and she hung herself in her room. And as the story goes, since then, the sightings of Martha has been seen throughout the building throughout the years. They call her the Lady in White. So they have seen shadow figures. They have seen Martha staring down through her bedroom window.
Oh.
Lights turn on and off. They would hear footsteps going down, descending the grand staircase, which is no longer here. We actually investigated the site 3 different times. And the last time was in this last December.
Okay.
Throughout the different times that we've investigated, we've caught audio recordings of voices.
Okay.
We have experienced seeing shadow figures
Oh, nice.
and hearing,
Thank you.
yes, thanks, footsteps going across the gallery floor when no one is there.
Oh.
So could that very well be still Martha residing in a place that she passed away, that she hasn't moved on? Or could that be some of the club members that still have some sort of emotional attachment to this building? You know, but whatever is here is not, we don't deem malicious or malevolent or evil or anything like that. It's just somebody or someone or a series of people that just, I think, come and go, and they have some type of an attachment to this building.
Yeah, because I'm always been interested in coming in this building, even though it was before it turned into an art studio. Because I do a little more of a urban exploring, and the whole paranormal falls into hand together too. So that's why I was like, oh, I've always wanted to come in here.
Yeah, it's a building that has such a rich history, and I'm so glad. And you talk to different people in Wausau that, you know, it's being what it is and not being vacant or torn down or anything like that.
Oh,
you know? And some of the thoughts is through paranormal research that if you would tear down a location that is haunted,
Yeah.
would that spirit disappear? No, it will still be here. And then if you construct a house or a building in that same spot,
It's still going to be
it's still
there.
going to be in that location.
Right.
Now, whatever it is, you know, you might be able to sometimes, people say they see spirits walking through walls. Well, maybe that wall wasn't a wall at one point. Maybe 50 years ago that was a
walkway.
hallway or
Yeah,
a
like a
walkway, you know. It follows the same path that it's used to
When it was still living.
when it was still alive.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, wow. I'm going to have to do the haunted tour of this hall again. How often do you guys do that?
We do that only in October, the last 3 Saturdays in October.
Okay.
You know, our setup point is the Elks Lodge, so that's where we set everything all up.
Okay. Awesome.
So, yeah, you just go on our website and just keep watching and details and stuff like that.
You got a card?
Yep, I sure do. Oh, that's my credit card.
I
I'm
don't
not
need
gonna
that.
give you that one. There's someplace in here. I give them all away? I did. I don't have any cards. I'm
Oh, it's
sorry.
fine.
But I mean, if you just Google Wausau Paranormal Research Society,
Okay.
it'll come up.
Okay,
Our
yeah.
Facebook and our website.
Well, we obviously saw you had some books there. And
Oh.
those are for sale or?
Yeah, I mean, we wrote a book about 7
Yeah.
years ago.
Yeah, I've heard of that.
Wausau Club is pretty cool. We didn't get to go upstairs, second floor. It's off limit though. But the Wausau Paranormal Society guy was there, and he was telling us stories about it might not been Martha. It could have been like someone else. So yeah, that'd be cool.